Earlier today, Midjourney has released version 6. In this video, I'd like to share the new features of the latest Midjourney V6 with you. The new version is now available in the Midjourney Discord server. You can type in /settings and change the model to V6, or type V6 after your prompt. But it is the alpha test for now, which means it's not the final version and things might change frequently and without notice. According to the team, V6 is much more accurate prompt following, better coherence and model knowledge. I try some prompt and here are the images generated using Midjourney V6. I also use the V5.2 model to generate some images using the same prompts. And here are the results I get. In my opinion, the V6 model really adds more details to the image, which also makes the image looking sharper than V5.2. And the V6 model does have better understanding in the prompt. This is the result when I ask it to generate a car flying in the space, with beautiful stars around. Take a look at this comparison. V6 is looking better in drawing hands and understanding eating. However, in some cases, V5.2 creates better atmosphere in image generation. Personally, I think the V6 model is looking more realistic, sometimes too sharp, while V5.2 is looking softer. Which style do you prefer? You may leave your thoughts in the comments to share with people. Besides that, V6 also adds subtle and creative modes to the Upscaler, but only supports increased resolution by 2x. The creative mode can have some changes to the original image, while subtle aims at remaining the original details. If you want to upscale your image to 4K, even 8K in batch, I'd recommend using Hitpour Photo AI to quickly enhance all kinds of images to super high quality, while keeping the original details. Only with a few clicks, you may get the images upscaled and saved in your devices in batch. Check out the official link in the description if you are interested. What's more, V6 can now generate minor texts in the image. It requires you to write the text in quotations and use low style mode to generate. I tried this in both V6 and V5.2, and here is what I get. Honestly, V6 has better text drawing ability, but still has some mistakes. Furthermore, the team also mentions that these features are not yet supported, but should come over the coming months. And they also encourage users to share their ideas and relearn how to prompt in Midjourney V6. So how do you like the new updates? Share your thoughts and I'd be happy to read them. That's the share for today. And if you find it useful, please like and subscribe for more AI tools and tips. Thanks for watching. See you.